Red Velvet came back with Surfin Boy.
Surfin Boy.
What we talking about? What type of Surfin Boy?
Oh my gosh,
Is
I'm
there
ready
captions?
for Red Velvet.
I don't know. But
I don't know. We'll see.
hey, without further ado, let's get it.
Let's go. 4 toes.
Oh, it's an alien.
Oh my god! Sorry.
Oh.
You're beautiful. Oh, Wendy.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Boy. Oh. What we looking at? Oh, they're mermaids or sirens? Ooh.
Ooh, in the water?
It's a brand new era. Love the colors.
Yeah.
A frog?
Okay, Princess and the Frog. Oh.
Bossa! Oh, they look so good.
They're all so beautiful.
Oh, he's an amphibian?
Oh.
He's a merman?
The frog.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
What?
That's
Get the clock on
it's
her.
on sight.
It's on site. Oh,
Oh.
it is on site.
Oh.
Oh, this is fan fiction. Is she writing this? Wait. Look. Why they have those scenes?
Why is she just giggling and just typing?
Is she writing a fanfic? Vocals.
That was nasty,
I love bossa nova though.
I know.
I feel like it needs to be appreciated more. What's in that drink? Ooh.
No.
Oh wow. Surfing boy, everybody.
They really had to put Sugi right in the beginning.
In the beginning? What do you mean?
Shoot at my heart.
That's your bias.
That's my bias.
Ooh! I love this. I don't know why. I just love every time Red Velvet comes out with some nice ass music. It just like saves the K-pop world.
It does.
They always do.
They always do. They always do.
All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is Hedgen. I'm Dre. This is YouTube channel JREKML, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.